Hi everyone, it's Elle. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you watched my part one, you would have saw that I did a whole renovation. Well, I didn't do it. Mr. Traveler did a whole renovation of my beauty room. Mr. Traveler did all the renovations. He did everything, so I had to put him on this video so he can get some credit.
Okay, thank you.
I didn't want nobody thinking I just did all this DIY by myself. Oh no, I had the help of my husband, honey. I can't do all this by myself. And I hope you enjoyed the videos. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the first video. It was 3 minutes, but it actually was over a month. It took me a while to get the fireplace. It took me a while to get my vanity, and it also took me a while to order my curtains that's hung behind Mr. Traveler here. I also added some accessories. I actually went to the Mediterranean and we went over to Italy and we went to Turkey. We went to a lot of places. We actually did a 10-day cruise over there and it was the inspiration of my beauty room. So I also love anything that's Mediterranean, anything that's French country, and I love decor. So if you know me, I used to work in trauma surgery, but my second major was decor. I love to decorate. I love anything that has to do with decor. I love fashion as well. And if you love this outfit that I'm wearing, I'll go ahead and try to attach it for you and I could talk about the outfit later. If you want me to do a review of this outfit that I'm wearing, just comment below and I've also did a tutorial on my hair as well. So this look, I did a video on this look that I'm wearing, the makeup of the day, and I did not even have time to do my nails, honey. And I wanted to get this video out so you can see the progress that I've made so far. This room is a work of art. It is still a work in progress, and I'm going to put some things on the walls later. Maybe you can comment below and help me pick some things if you like. I really, really love what Mr. Traveler did. He did a fantastic job of putting everything together, and it was not easy. He did it all by himself, even this chandelier that's over my head. This chandelier actually from Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and attach everything below. This video is not sponsored. I paid for this with my money and also Mr. Traveler's, as well as gifts for my Christmas gifts. So, if you love this, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more. Head over to Mr. Traveler, where we travel the world and we share everything with you. Follow us on Facebook at Mr. Traveler, where we have a ball over there and we post daily content and you can keep up with us on the daily over there. This house is a little different from the last house we lived in. Actually, we were in a condo in Palm Beach right off the water and we decided to come back to Orlando because we loved it so much here. So it was a lot to do and Mr. Traveler did it all by himself. Was it a hard job? Would you say scale of 1 to 10, how was it?
Oh no, it's all fours and fives. Good furniture. Mr. Traveler has excellent taste. So a lot of white and girly stuff and bright and blingy and all that stuff. So basically, it was just putting stuff together in here, and that's really not that difficult to do. The hanger for the TV on the wall, um, putting the fireplace together, the chandelier, just making sure it's basic electricity and knowing how to hang the stuff safely. And really, that's about it. Now when we get to our next house,
Mhm.
that'll be a little bit different. We're gonna really customize that one. That's a spoiler alert for you.
Yes, we decided to keep looking and we're gonna keep going until we find our dream home. We're not gonna stop until we get there. So who knows? We may be moving again in Orlando. So we love Florida. We love our location. We just don't know if we want to put all that work into this home, but we'll see.
Yes,
So
indeed.
thank you so much for my beauty room. I appreciate you and I love you.
I love you too.
And I appreciate my husband. He does such an awesome job with our renovations. As you know, we renovated all the way from Michigan to here, and we moved about 10
Yeah,
times.
this is lightweight compared to some of the renovations I've done. But like I say, I think the next time we do it, it'll be a little bit more involved. Things I would do differently in here is run the electricity behind the wall for the TV, so you don't see even though we've got it hidden behind that pole.
Mhm.
I prefer to run the electricity behind there. But other than that, everything else is good.
Okay, here's the tour. So
Hmm.
let's get into the video and we're going to show you everything that we did and I hope you enjoy it. And here it is. This is my ultimate glam room transformation. I actually had a dream of this room. This is my dream makeover room transformation and I kind of seen it when I saw the room. I saw it before I even decorated it, and some people understand what I'm saying when you can just look at something and know that that's the way it's supposed to be. I'm one of those persons. So that particular lamp that you're looking at, that's a Nicole Miller lamp. That is from Home Goods. You'll see things from Amazon, Costco's, Best Buy, custom made, wherever I can get it, I can get my hands on it. The TV is from Best Buy, and like my husband said, he wanted to hide the wires the best he could. This chair is from Walmart, but you can also get it on Amazon. It actually spins around, and I have two chairs like this, and I like to have somewhere comfortable if I have guests over, where because I'm a content creator, I content create for two different channels, so it gives me a nice working space. I work from home and I love what I do, so I'm very busy content creating. This mirror is from Crate and Barrel. I have two mirrors like this. This is an unbreakable mirror. I've dropped this mirror 3 times. Here's my fireplace. I live in sunny Florida where it doesn't really get cool here, but I like the ambiance of having a fireplace. It makes my space cozy. I love to do my hair in here. I love to do my makeup as well. And I like to have a Mediterranean French country vintage type of look. I want to do this look all throughout my home. This look will be carried all throughout my furniture. If you come over my home, you will see there's a cohesive look to my home. I like for every room to look almost the same but a little different in a way. So this chair is from Amazon. I like the look of it, but I think I'm going to change my chair because I have to have a comfortable chair when I'm doing my hair and makeup. This chair is so cute. It has buttons in it. It has a up and down. I'm a tall girl, almost 6 feet. I'm 5'9", and I like to have height on my chair when I'm doing my makeup. This particular vanity is from Costco's, and I'm just showing you the different lighting here that it has. It has a soft filter light for filming as well as a bright light for makeup. It also has a USB port in the top as well as in one of the drawers, and it also has hidden plugs in it that you can blow dry your hair or use hot tools. So here's my vanity. I really love the knobs and the old vintage Hollywood look of the knobs. I love it. I love a clean look. I don't like anything cluttered. And here's my Dior collection that I'm starting. I love fragrance. Anything that has to do with fragrance, I collect them. Can you see which one is my favorite? You can comment below and let me know. So this is the Nicole Miller standing alone lamp, and I love it. It goes with my custom made sconces. And this particular olive tree is a black olive. It's from Amazon. It is the most realest olive trees I've seen because I've been over to Italy and they look just like the ones in Italy. Here's my rug from my Texas house. And this is also ordered from Amazon, and it has a beautiful pattern in it. It's like a whimsy French country pattern. I really love it. I didn't pull the carpet up in the room yet, but I probably will if we stay here a little bit longer. So everything will be linked down below. I hope you can take my ideas and make them your own. I haven't really put any color in here yet, so stay tuned for updates. Speaking of which, if you follow me on 𝐸𝑚�𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔 Glam, you'll know that I posted two different mirrors. This is the Venetian vintage mirror that I chose. It was shipped and now it's broke. I am so sick about it. I cannot believe this mirror is broke. I waited months for this mirror. So I actually ordered both and I'm waiting on the other one. So here's the chandelier that's in there. I took out the old dated fan that was in there. I love to have a fan as well as a chandelier because it's so hot in Florida that I have to have both. If you was interested in this chandelier, it'll be linked below. It changes to about 20 colors and it gives the softness of the sun as well as a fall day. It goes autumn and then it goes really light. I love this particular chandelier. It caught my eye. It's very glam, just like me. The curtains are from Amazon as well, and I think that's everything. I would like to thank each and every one of you for watching today. Wasn't it a beautiful room? I love it. I love every woman should have a place where beauty take place. That's what my mama would tell me when she was here. She's in heaven now, but I still listen to her. When I ain't have my clothes on, she'd say, "Girl, put your clothes on. Your husband is not blind." So she'll say things like that. My grandma installed a lot of wisdom into me, and my grandmother would have her mirror down, her powder. Remember the big poofy powders? My grandma would use it every Sunday, and if I closed my eyes, I could just remember how her and my grandma smelled. My mother and my grandma, they loved to dress up for church all the time, and that's where I carried on that tradition in this beauty room. And every time we move, I always have a spot where beauty takes place because that's in memory of my mother and my grandmother. And not only for them, but for myself. Self care is not selfish. Go over and follow us on Mr. Traveler, where we travel the world and we share everything with you. I love my fashion, my glamour, but I love decor. And let me tell you, I have a lot more to show you. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.